Hi everybody, it's Mike, the nature artist, and I wanted to show you three new pieces that I made recently. And these will be posted on all the Facebook fairy groups that I belong to. Here is a chair, a small chair made out of bark and flowers, and it has a little bird's nest up here and some grapevine tendril, and that will be available not as a class in our fairyartschool.com, but these are available for sale. So I'm just going to put these on Facebook and Etsy. And the links will be below. Here's a bench, really nice bench made out of bark and tendrils and some dried flowers and some seaweed handles. And the third one is a little table, and I've got it decorated with a bowl with fruit and a little spoon, but I'm going to carve out a better spoon out of some old barnwood. And here is a little goblet and a teapot. And it's got some nice bracing crisscrossing both ways. So that's what some of the things look like that we make in Fairy Art School that you're welcome to go look at. And the links are below. And I'm going to post these on the Facebook groups and on our Etsy shop. And you can buy all three. You can buy one or two. Just inquire, let me know, message me. And we'll see what we can do for you. So I hope you're having a good day. We're enjoying even the winter. It's February and we're outside collecting things today and found a lot of new materials. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.